Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fake skip on OmeTV using OBS. So this can be useful if you want to switch between a loading screen and your camera while chatting. So first download and install OBS along with a loading screen video. So open OBS, complete the initial setup, then add the loading video as a media source and enable the loop option. After that, add your webcam as a video capture device. And once both sources are added, you can hide or show your camera whenever you want. And when the camera is hidden, the loading screen will appear instead. So to use OBS as your webcam on OmeTV, select the OBS virtual camera in your browser camera settings and start the virtual camera inside OBS. And if you want a quicker way to switch between your camera and the loading screen, create separate scenes and assign hotkeys in the OBS settings. So this allows you to change views with a single key press. After everything is set up, open OmeTV, select the OBS camera, and test that everything is working correctly. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.